Now, a new NASA mission to study asteroids more than a billion miles from the Earth gets underway this morning.
Over the next 12 years, the unmanned probe will examine space rocks around Jupiter in an effort to better understand how planets were formed. Our science correspondent Jonathan Amos reports.
This is a mission that will take us back in time. NASA's Lucy probe will seek out old asteroids more than 1 billion miles from Earth, circling the Sun in formation with the giant planet Jupiter. They call these ancient objects Trojans, city-sized lumps of rock that preserve the chemistry from the earliest days of the solar system. Lucy will visit 7 Trojan asteroids over the course of the next 12 years, taking pictures and careful measurements to send back to Earth. Scientists are hoping to gain new insights on the origins of the planets. The expectation is that they'll find evidence that the Trojans didn't form anywhere near their current locations. Proof there was a great reorganization of the planets and other bodies shortly after the solar system got going more than 4.5 billion years ago. Jonathan Amos, BBC News.
We're going to be talking about that a little bit later and trying to understand a bit more about the details of how it works, because it's a massive project.
Yeah, it's fascinating, and I always wonder, why do we want to learn about these things? But apparently it's all to do with how the ice is made up out there, and it will give us a little bit more of a clue to how the whole solar system was formed. So I look forward to learning more about that. Matt's an expert in those kind of things, aren't you, Matt?
I'm better with things closer to Earth, Nina.
Oh, fascinating, but a long time to wait. 12 years to get the
Lucy in the
full-
sky with diamonds, maybe. I love the fact it's called Lucy, don't you?
I know.
It's just like,
Named after an ancient fossil.
you got the briefing notes there. We know everything about this stuff.
Interesting.